you ever attended a technical conference and you found it really hard to pick and choose the right technical session for you? Hi, I'm Shari Gorbani from Project Control Academy. I've been to many conferences throughout my career, including the technical conferences in project controls and project management. What I found it challenging was picking the right session for me that helps me in my career learning and growth. I always spend at least a few days before the conference to plan it ahead and to figure out which session should I go to. And sometimes I found it, despite all the time I spend on planning, I end up going to a session that I don't quite like the speaker or the topic, and then I figure out, oh my God, I missed other sessions that were happening at the same time. Have you experienced the same issue? I'm sure you did. So to resolve this issue, we came up with a new idea at Project Control Summit 2020, a brand new conference experience for project professionals. We decided to, first of all, have everyone under the same roof for 3 days, face-to-face, learning from the best speakers in the world so that you diversify your skill sets in different areas of project controls. But then we realized that's not enough. We want to give you additional technical knowledge and expertise so you can diversify your skill sets even further and have the chance to learn different areas in project controls and project management. So we came up with an idea of having technical sessions, a lot of technical sessions that you can access before, during, and after the conference, online, in addition to face-to-face throughout the 3 days of learning, so that you can go through all the sessions by the top speakers, by the subject matter experts at your own pace, and also not missing anything, so that you can max out your learning throughout the conference. So that's something that we are initiating. So combination of the online sessions as well as face-to-face conference interactions so that you can have your learning experience to its max. So I don't want you to miss that out. Give it a try. Join us at Project Control Summit. The link to join is projectcontrolsummit.com, and we look forward to seeing you there. Go ahead, register now and max out your learning at Project Control Summit.